Going on, everyone? This is Anthony with AEONrv, and today we're going to show you an instructional video on how to set up our moonshade. Today we have our XL moonshade that we're going to set up. We also have a smaller option too. Okay, so the first step here is you're going to lay out your structural poles and assemble your legs. So you're going to have 2 legs and 2 structural poles. So first, I like to assemble the legs. So just to give you an idea, this is how the poles all assemble together, just like that. Okay, so the second step here is to locate the corner on the shade itself. With the carabiner that has the string on it, this is what we're going to attach to the left-hand corner on the back side of the vehicle. And then you're going to want to take one of the legs here, attach it on the inside, and then what this string does, it actually opens the gate of the carabiner. So now you're going to raise the moonshade up to the first hook, attach it. Okay, so to attach the other corner, you're going to want your door open and your stairs down. So grab the next corner, climb up your steps, and then hook it on the other hook. Okay, so the fourth step is you're going to take your structural poles. Okay, so you're going to slide it through this first hook and then into the corner slot of the shade. And now you're going to put this in this corner slot. Let it drape. Then you're going to take your next structural pole here, slide through the hook, again, through the corner slot, and then just like that, you're going to hook all the hooks to the poles. And then another good pro tip on this is if you want to limit the wind resistance, there's these vents on the inside here. I typically open these up before I set up the shade itself. Okay, so now that we have the structure of the moonshade set up, we're going to attach the legs now. So take one leg, pull the moonshade up, put the leg in the metal slot right here, and then you're going to want to hook this guy right in the carabiner too, just like that. Second leg, same thing. Now that you have it set up, you can actually, these legs are actually adjustable. So you can adjust it up or down with these settings here. So this is what our moonshade option looks fully set up. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope this tutorial video helped you out. If you want to check out our rigs, go on awnrv.com. Thanks for watching. Later, guys.